Stop wasting time searching for the right tools. Most creators are overwhelmed by the sheer number of AI apps available today. In 2026, success belongs to those with a streamlined stack. Let's walk through the ultimate AI workflow for modern creators. It all starts with smart research. Use AI to scan the web and find trending topics and viral hooks in seconds. Let data-driven insights replace the guesswork. AI analyzes what works, so you can focus on building your brand and audience. Next is scripting. Watch your simple outline transform into a high-retention script, optimized for viewer engagement and clarity. Match your script with studio-quality AI voiceovers. Your audio will sound professional, clear, and perfectly paced every single time. Editing is now the fastest part of the process. AI automatically identifies and highlights your most viral moments instantly. Then, instantly repurpose your long-form content into vertical clips. One video becomes 10 pieces of content for every social platform. Don't forget the visuals. AI generates high-impact, click-worthy thumbnails that help your videos stand out in a crowded feed. Finally, handle SEO and scheduling. Automate your titles, tags, and posts across your entire content calendar without breaking a sweat. That is the 2026 AI Creator Stack. It is about working smarter, creating faster, and scaling your impact with ease. Download your 2026 checklist today to get started. Don't forget to comment your favorite AI tool in the section below.